Hello first grade, welcome back. This video is a continuation of yesterday's lesson. Today is Wednesday. It's April 1, 2020. Okay, so here's the materials that you are going to prepare. Of course, your math textbook volume 2 and your pencil and eraser. Okay, so what was our lesson all about? Defining and non-defining attributes of 2D shape or two-dimensional shapes. Okay, you can open your book on page 251. Okay, so here's our objective. For today's lesson, I can define 2D shapes by their attributes. Okay, let's have a review. Are you ready? Okay. So here, always remember that shapes are defined by the number of straight sides and vertices and whether they are close or not. The second one, shapes are not defined by color, just like my examples here. I have the same colors of circle, square, rhombus, and triangle, but they are different shapes. Next, remember that shapes are not defined by size or position. Whether it is small or big, whether it is put upward, downward, at the side, still it is a shape or a 2D shape. Okay, so again, remind yourself that these are some examples of 2D shapes. We have square, rectangle, triangle, we have circle, we have pentagon, and so on and so forth. So let's try to answer two shapes here. So this 2D shape has 6 straight sides or edges and 6 corners. So which of these shapes has 6 sides? Can you guess? Very good. The last one, can you count? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Very good. And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So the answer is hexagon. Very good. Now the next example. This 2D shape has no straight edges, only one curved edge, and it has no corners or vertices. What do you think is the name of the shape? Very good. It's a circle. Now you can answer the rest of the examples alone with your mom. Very good. Okay, the next one. Okay, here we are going also to answer at least 2 examples out of 4. So we are going to take the first one. This 2D shape is a blank. It has blank vertices and it has also blank sides. Let's try to see. This shape has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. You can write there 4. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So what do you think is this? It has equal sides. So it means it is a square. The next one. Let's choose this one, the next. This 2D shape is a blank. Look at the shape. It has how many vertices? None, so you can write 0. How many sides? None, so you can also write 0. So this shape is called a circle. Now you can answer the third and the fourth one with your mom. Thank you. Now go to page 757. Let's answer. Circle the words that are true for the shape. The number 1, it says triangle. Now, all triangles are blank. Is it what? Which one is true? Is it yellow? Is it short? Is it have 3 straight sides or have 3 vertices? You can circle the correct answer. I'll give you seconds for that. Start. Very good. Now, let's try to check our answer if it's correct. Okay. Are your answers correct? Good job. Okay, let's move. 758. Number 2. Okay, still the same. You are going to circle the correct explanation of the hexagons. And number 3, you're going to read it by your own and try to answer it by your own. And you can check your answer if it is correct along with number 4. There, you can pause the video. Okay, great job. Okay, now, what are the essential questions that we need to always remember? At least one question. First, what attribute do and do not define a shape? Again, what attribute do and do not define a shape? What do you think is your answer? Okay, let's check. Here, my answer should be the number of vertices, circle it, the number of sides, and whether the shape is closed. Define the shape. The color, position, and size of the shape do not define. Okay? So, great job, grade 1. Okay, you make me proud. And I believe that you are also like giving this feeling to your parents. Okay, so once again, once you finish of the activity, don't forget to take picture and send it in our group for checking. Okay, have a nice day everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.